Hi, I'm Carter from Aurora Middle School. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use hands-on equations. First, you need to know a few things. This is x, and this is negative x. Together, they're a pair of 0. This is a negative constant, and this is a positive constant. As long as they're the same number, they're a pair of 0. Our first problem is 3x plus 10 equals 5x plus 2.
3, 2, 1, go.
We have 3x plus 10 equals 5x plus 2. We have a few legal moves we can do. We can remove the same thing from both sides. We can add the same thing to both sides. Here. Or we could remove pairs of 0. So, of these, I am going to remove 3x from both sides. Then I'm going to add negative 2 to both sides. This is a pair of 0, so we can remove that. And this is now an 8. So we have 2x equals 8. We can divide it by 2, and we get 4 equals x. And in that case, negative 4 would equal negative x. So our next problem is negative 10 plus x equals negative 3x plus 2. Okay, so we have negative 10 plus x equals negative 3x plus 2. First, I'm going to add a negative x to both sides, and then I can remove this negative x and x because they're a pair of 0. Then I'm going to add negative 2 to both sides. This is a pair of 0, and I can remove that, and that becomes negative 12. Now I can divide both sides by 4, and I get x equals 3. Negative x equals 3, and in which case x would equal positive 3. Okay, so our next problem is 5 plus x plus negative 3x plus equals 3x plus negative 2x plus negative 1. Okay, so we have 5 plus x plus negative 3x equals 3x plus negative 2x plus negative 1. So first I'm going to remove this pair of 0. Then I'm going to remove these two pairs of zeros. Now I'm going to add positive 1 to each side. This is a pair of 0, so I can remove it. And this becomes 6. Now I'm going to add 2x to each side to remove these white ones. That's a pair of 0. And then I can divide both sides by 3 to get x equals 2. And negative 2 equals negative x. Thanks for learning hands-on equations with me. If you didn't understand that, don't worry. I didn't either, and that makes 4 of us.